Gage fly by the rope and racing. All in front is second by Pedro Panduco. Here comes Scary Ober showing speed in the early part in between horses. Darlinghurst running by the Willie Zubaru. Then followed by Aloha. Next on line is Kuya Amban Green Lexter. Then followed by Kiss Me. Prince Dugo is next on line. Fast and Free. Going along for the first turn, it's now Darlinghurst. From the outside is Mahafalang, followed by Pedro Panducoa. Flanks back now is Kerry Ober. Aloha taking the fourth position, dropping to Pipi Zubaru. Running in 6 by another 2.5 is Kuya Amben. In the middle portion now is Green Lexter. And nearing the last 600, Pedro Panduco regains the lead. Mahafalang, followed by Darlinghurst. Carry over, coming close now, Winter down in 40s, Aloha. Inside the last 600, Pedro Panduco hanging on with a half plank leader. Darlinghurst, carry over, Aloha sneaking in along Shadase. Swing for home, Darlinghurst. Now from the outside, running by the Willis Aloha, Pedro Panduco, and here comes Kerry Ober. Aloha takes the lead, Pedro Panduco, and Kerry Ober on the outside, Pedro Panduco in the middle, and finally Pedro Panduco, Kerry Ober, Aloha, Darlinghurst, Green Lexter, and Fast and Free.